If equipped, Active Driving Assist, or ADA, is a driver assistance feature that helps maintain vehicle position and speed. The system operates at speeds of up to 93 miles per hour or 150 kilometers per hour when lane markings are detected. To activate ADA, you must be driving with your hands on the steering wheel. Push the ADA button on the left side of the steering wheel. The instrument cluster display image will display white until the system is engaged, then turn green. If Adaptive Cruise Control, ACC, was active before enabling ADA, ACC will remain active with the previously set speed and distance settings. If ACC was previously disabled, it will be activated along with ADA. Push the set switch upward or downward, then release when the desired speed is reached. You can adjust the ACC distance setting by pushing the distance setting button. ADA aims to keep your vehicle centered in the lane while maintaining the speed and distance set with ACC. In the instrument cluster display, you can view system status along with any warnings. For example, if the vehicle approaches or crosses a lane boundary, a warning will appear in the instrument cluster display and, if enabled, the steering wheel will vibrate. The steering vibration can be turned on or off in the Uconnect system. Also, if the system detects driver inattentiveness, such as hands off the steering wheel, the instrument cluster display will glow as well as the steering wheel icon will change from green to yellow to red to warn the driver. Other alerts include an audible warning and brake jerk warnings. In addition to the conditions mentioned previously, the following conditions must also be met for ADA to engage. The driver's seatbelt is buckled. The driver's hands are on the steering wheel. The vehicle is centered in a lane while driving on a road with visible lane markings. The turn signal is not pressed. The vehicle is not in a tight curve. No trailer is connected. If any of these conditions are not met, the system will be temporarily disabled, then re-enabled when all the conditions are met. To turn the system off completely, press the ADA button again. Keep the system off when driving in more challenging situations like urban environments, construction zones, bad weather, or on poorly maintained roads. Remember, the ADA system does not warn about or prevent collisions with other vehicles or obstacles, and will not respond to traffic lights, signs, or cross traffic. Always remain alert and pay attention to traffic conditions when using the system. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.